many birds.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now, my name is Shahrail, and welcome to Bulls Amphitheater for High Flyers. Now, up there is one of the show's high flyers. Once he's ready, he's gonna make a turn, flying very low above your heads before landing on my head. He's coming right now. Perfect touchdown. Thank you, Baba. Well done. This afternoon, we're gonna take you on a flight and journey through this colorful and wonderful world of birds. Now, we hope that you will be amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help our feathered friends from across the world. Right now, we're going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws in the wild. Now, in the wild, the macaws will congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. Over here, we have replicas of palm leaves where some birds are going to be landing on it. So everyone, let's welcome the birds. Look up there, and here comes Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. Hey Gaia, nice to see you. Gaia has got two more friends, so look up there once again. And here comes Lambo and Ferrari, our scarlet macaws. Now these beautiful macaws can be found in the jungles of South America. Now in the wild, after feeding, they often go to rocky surfaces, just like these, to lick up clay or even chalk. Now this helps them in the digestion of unripe fruits or palm nuts that they have eaten. Looks like the macaws are really happy right up there snacking, but not to worry because this will be their next stop. Alright, now birds usually get the food for their young, especially during nesting season. We're gonna have a little competition to see who is better at gathering food. My friends need supporters. People on my right, you support Barry, our green wing macaw. I want you guys to clap your hands right now and go, Barry, 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 Barry. Not bad, maybe a little bit more energy, okay? Alright? We test people on this side. Try to go louder, okay? You support Taki, our scarlet macaw. Clap your hands and go, Taki, 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 Taki. Ah, like that. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, now back to the table. What I have here is a hollow tree trunk. What these two birds have to do is to gather 4 fruits. Each supporter seems ready. Birds are definitely ready. Ready, go!
See?
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is... One diehard supporter right over there in the structure. Very good. Not loud enough, Sabrina. So what can we do to help you? One more match then. Okay, I have to ask everybody here. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Shall we have one more game? Okay, fine. Okay, by popular demand, we shall have one more game, okay? Now remember, Barry supporters will have to cheer louder this time, alright? Or else these birds will not feel motivated. The louder you cheer, the faster they will run. Alright, supporters, ready, but ready, let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, the true blue champion here is Taki! Okay, Sabrina, there's nothing to be upset about. You know why? Because Barry here, he tried his very best. So let's give it up for the fruit gathering macaws. Thank you, my friends. Now, as you can see, we give our birds here fun activities to do that are similar to what they would do in the wild. And here comes my friends from South America as well. Those are the scarlet hyacinths. Aren't they beautiful? Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at my friend Faris. He is right in the middle and he's holding on to an enrichment device. Now it is a rope tied into knots, and in those knots are actually hidden treats for the next few birds to find. Also, they are from South America, just like the scarlet ibis. Okay, looks like the volunteer is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the nest box on stage. There they go. Those are the sun conures. Now, sun conures, like the coals, can be found in the forests of South America. Oh, and just like humans, they love living in groups. So can you imagine them in a large flock? How colorful and gorgeous they must be. Oh, and here at Jurong Bird Park, not only are we active in conservation, we also get school children involved as well. The nest box where the sun conures flew up from was constructed by the students of Greenwich Primary School in conjunction with Earth Day. With that, it's time for the sun conures to head back home. You look at the last one that's right over there. That happens to be the youngest sibling of the three. That's Loki, that's his name by the way. Now Loki, he loves the attention that he can get. He's young, it's okay. It's a beautiful Sunday. We're gonna let Loki to relax a little bit more. But Loki, don't take too long, okay? We got more birds coming out to meet our guests here on this beautiful day. Alright? Loki gets the message and home is there! Give it up for the sun conures! Now, every morning, the male and female toucans would leave its nest to find food to feed its young. That is exactly what we're going to show you. We're going to have husband and wife, happily married for so many years, and their names are Mr. and Mrs. Horn. Alright? They're going to be flying very low above you, so you have to remain in your seats. If not, these birds will keep landing on your head. When they land on the head, you don't know what else, they will drop on your shoulder. I'll give you a clue, something green. Okay, we have a few volunteers on standby. It looks like our first one is already ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the hut right over there, because here comes the Toko toucan. And why we were talking about. Now, Toko toucans are the largest in the toucan family. Now, they are easily recognizable by their bright orange beak. Off they go. But despite having a large beak, toucans remains agile and maneuverable when in flight. In fact, they have been seen catching insects in mid-flight without even stopping. Now my friend Boogie, okay, he will toss a piece of fruit as high as he can up into the air for Mr. and Mrs. Horn to catch. Ready, Boogie? 1, 2, 3, up it goes! Mr. Horn! Well done, Mr. Horn. One more toss from Mrs. Horn. 1, 2, 3, up, and away! Well done! Now, it is very nice to see these animals very close to us here. But, unfortunately, the population of these beautiful birds are decreasing in the wild due to poaching and deforestation. So please, support your local conservation programs. Mrs. Horn, you know what she's doing right now? She's suntanning. Look at the feathers like that. Mrs. Horn, no time. No time to suntan. We've got more birds to bring out. Come on, right here. You saw that? You saw the difference in the way she's standing up right now? She's like, oh, the sun feels so good on my feathers. Mrs. Horn, we have to go back. No time to suntan, okay? We go to somewhere else, okay? Ready? Let's go. I should try to pick her up, alright? This way? Very good. Phew! Alright, it's time for toucans to head back home. Toucans are very loyal to each other. When one goes, the other one will follow. Now watch this. Mr. Horn, you go first before she starts to suntan again. Bye-bye, Mrs. Horn. I'll come to toucans. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals are the abilities to copy sound. And they do that for social communication. But the yellow-necked Amazon is very famous for its ability to copy human sounds. Now we've got one such bird on stage. Hello, buddy. Now, don't forget to keep your video cameras rolling. Hey, would you like to say hello?
Hello.
Wow. Okay, he's gonna introduce himself, okay? What's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo! Okay, if you missed it, we're gonna try that one more time, okay? Now, what's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo is his name! Okay, now Amigo, what do you want to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
How are you? Are you doing good? Very good. Okay, now Amigo here is very smart bird. He can actually count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, perfect! Well done. And here's another thing, okay, this is really surprising. He can also count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. Well, let's count in Chinese. Oh, hold on a second, something is bothering him. Up there. Ah, there's a Brahmani kite, a bird of prey. Okay, you missed it. It's just flying over the amphitheater. It's gone, you see? He's not looking at it. Okay, count 1 to 10 in Chinese.
1,